Welcome to my page. I'm a livestock farmer. Today I will be discussing the truth about chicken farming, broilers and layers, the truth about them. Chicken farming is not just about feeding and waiting. No. Clean water is more important than feeding. Dirty water brings disease to your birds. And in the aspect of broiler need fast growth. So good feeding and ventilation are keys. Yes. Why for layers? Layers need calcium for strong hair shell. Always observe your birds daily. Sick bird show sign early. You should know that sick bird show sign of sickness early. Healthy chickens means steady income. Like and subscribe and follow for more farming tips, livestock farming tips. Thank you very much.